Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to add in video content to our WordPress site. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click the Add block. We're then going to look for the video block, and in this case, we're going to do a search. And we're going to write in video, and just by typing the V, WordPress will start to search for the available blocks that begin with V, and then we can click video block. You'll notice then that what we have is we have an interface that we can use. Of course, we can then upload a video to our media library. We can get a video that's already in our media library, or we can get a URL that will play the video when someone clicks on it. Now in this case, we're going to upload a video from our hard drive. Now, in many cases, what you'll find is that the video that you're trying to add is likely to exceed the maximum upload size for your server. When that happens, you're less likely to add a video file to your WordPress site, and you're more likely to add an embed code to your site. So what we're going to do is we're going to click inside of the block. We're going to delete the block altogether. We're going to click Add block. We're then going to look for HTML. We're going to click in Custom HTML. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab the embed code from a YouTube video. We're going to paste the code into the box. What we're going to do now is we're going to preview the block with the new code. So we're going to click Preview. We can then see how the block is going to appear inside of our site. And if we like it, we can then allow the change to be made. But if you really do want to have the file rendering from your server, you can't upload the video. However, you are going to want to make sure that your server allows for a video that size. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.